Dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's lecture, we will be discussing Unit 13 Ozymandias by Percy bysshe Shelley, which is from first year English KPK textbooks. Let's begin. Vocabulary and grammar. First of all, हमने vocabulary करना है. Fill in the blanks with one of the following words. Everybody, everywhere, everything. Students, असल में ये indefinite pronoun है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमने indefinite pronoun को सीखना है. An indefinite pronoun is a pronoun that doesn't refer to a specific person, thing, or amount. It is used in a general way, not in a specific way. Number first, it's the biggest shop in the city. They sell everything. Number two, everybody is hungry because it's dinner time. Number third, do you have everything you need for your holiday? Number four, the party was great. Everybody enjoy it. Number five, my brother knows everything about football. He loves it. Number 6. The center of Nathia Gully is beautiful, but there are tourists everywhere. Number 7. Islamabad, a brilliant city, but everything is quite expensive. Number 8. Their garden is full of flowers. There are roses and tulips everywhere. Number 9. I like my new job. The work is interesting and everybody is very friendly. Number 10. I have I have not got a car. I travel everywhere by public transport. Grammar. A part. Fill in the verbs and brackets in future progressive. तो हमने future progressive की मदद से नीचे blanks को fill करना है. Number first, Ayan dash to the party on Saturday. Ayan will be coming to the party on Saturday. Number second, we shall be meeting him tomorrow. Number third, this time next week he will be flying to Saudi Arabia. Number four, at 6 o'clock on Friday they will be singing the new song. Number five, it will be probably it will be probably raining when I reach Murray. Number six, tomorrow at 9 I shall be uh, I shall be writing a test. Number seven, Sanya will watching a video when I arrive tonight. Number eight, you will be eating pizza soon. Number nine, she will be sleeping when you telephone her. Number 10, they will be arriving in Medina just about now. Part B, the verbs in parentheses into the correct form of future progressive. Number first, at midnight we will be sleeping. Number second, this time next week we'll be sitting at the beach. Number third, at night I shall be watching the news. Number four, tonight we shall be cramming up for our English test. Number five, they will be dancing all night. Number six, he will not be playing all afternoon. Number seven, I shall not be working all day. Number eight, will you be eating at 6? यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन मतलब हो रही है. Number 9, will she be driving to London? Number 10, will they be fighting again? Okay student, part C करते हैं. Fill in the blanks using the verbs in parentheses in the future tense. Number first, Zainab will come to the party on Saturday. Number two, we'll meet him tomorrow. We'll meet him tomorrow. Number third, this time next week he'll be flying to Dubai. Number four, at 6 o'clock on Saturday, they will be singing the new song. Number five, it will be probably raining when I reach Naran. Number six, tomorrow at 9 I'll be writing a test. Sanya will be watching a video when I arrive tonight. Number 8, you will be eating pizza soon. Number 9, she'll be She'll be sleeping when you telephone her. Number 10. They'll be arriving in Makkah just about now. ओके स्टूडेंट पार्ट डी करते हैं फिल इन द करेक्ट फ्यूचर टेंस विल फ्यूचर गोइंग टू आर प्रेजेंट असल में स्टूडेंट गोइंग टू का मतलब है कि कोई काम होने वाला हो कोई काम करने वाले हैं आप तो यहाँ पर हम गोइंग टू का इस्तेमाल करते हैं नंबर फर्स्ट द ब्रिज इज एम्प्टी विल यू गो एंड गेट सम फूड प्लीज नंबर टू we have decided that we would have dinner at a restaurant tomorrow. हम इस तरह भी कर सकते हैं We have decided that we are going to have. Number third, the weather report said that it would be sunny tomorrow. Number four, Robina said that she would not work for him anymore. Number five, Shakil, will you like with us next Saturday? Will you hike? Sorry. Number six, we have to hurry. The train is going to leave in 5 minutes. Number seven, they are hungry. I am going to get I'm going to get some milk and cornflakes for breakfast. Number eight, we'll probably donate we will probably donate some money to his charity organization. Okay, student. Number 9. I studied a lot for the exam. I will not fail. Number 10. They announced that the shopping mall will open on June 1st. Number 11. It's a beautiful day today. I think I will go to the beach today. Number 12. He'll teach us in English next year. Uh, Number 13. I feel very tired. I'm going to sleep. Number 14. I'm not sure if he would have enough money to buy a new car next year. Number 15. The World Championship will end next Sunday. Students part E करते हैं Put the verbs into the correct form will going to simple present or present progressive. Number first, I love Naran. I will probably go there next year. Number two, out train will train will leave at 4:47. Number three, what will you wear at the party tonight? Number four, I have not made up my mind yet, but I think I will find something. Number nice my mom wardrobe. Number five, this is my last day there. I'm going back to Benet tomorrow. Number six, hurry up. The conference is going to begin in 20 minutes. Number seven, look at this big black cloud. It is going to rain. Number 8. Here is the weather forecast. Tomorrow will be dry and sunny. Number 9. What does a boy say when he sees a banana skin laying just a few meters in front of him? Oh dear, I'm going to slip. So student, this is all about exercise 13. If you have any query regarding this exercise, you may ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.